Hi, my name's Dan from GLP Training. I'm just going to be talking to you today about isolating a trap and cleaning the trap out. So the first thing we're going to do, guys, is if you're around a customer's property, what we'll have to do is make sure that we're keeping the premises clean and tidy. So under the trap, before you commission it could be water still in there. And obviously if there's a blockage, then we could have some dirty water going onto the carpets or laminate flooring. So we have to make sure that we're covered up first. So as we've dust sheeted up now, what we're going to be doing is decommissioning the system. So what we're going to be doing is, well, isolating. So we're just going to be turning that a half turn. As you can see, half turn there on the hot would make sure that that is obviously no water will be coming out. And again, exactly the same, just giving it a half turn. That will make sure we have no water coming out of that area. So now you've isolated, as I say, we've got the flexi hose here. You can see that going into there. These are often used nowadays. So basically what we're going to do there is we have an overflow pipe here. What we're going to do is obviously do visual inspection of the trap to make sure we've got nothing in there that's blocking it. So as I take out the trap, any excess water, you'd use a bucket to put that in. Obviously, as you know, the sink, if you put it in the sink, it will come out the bottom. So as I say, we're now to have a look inside there. You can see a little tiny bit of gunk, nothing probably to block it up, but this is the kind of visual inspection we do. What you can get in there, you can get things like hair, a limescale build-up. Many things can block this, but as a visual inspection, as you can see, this trap here has not got any blockages, so we'd be happy to put that back on. As I say, putting that back on, you'd install it like this, making sure everything's all tight. As well as your overflow, you need to make sure that's reconnected as well. And the trap in situ. So now we've done that and made sure the trap's clean, what we're going to do is we're going to make sure that it's not isolated anymore and make sure that's turned on. So the valves will turn like that, with the head's going straight up. So as you've decommissioned the system, you would make sure you have a check, making sure no water is coming out. And after you've done that and made sure the system's back on, you would make sure that the water flows are on, and then you have your water back.